Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can make a payment on your Capital One credit card. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure to sign in with your username and, of course, fill out your username, password, and then proceed to signing in. And once you sign in, what you will have to do is you will basically look for pay credit card, and then you will select the card that you would want to pay. And then, by the way, there are these several options that would allow you to choose a payment method that is convenient for you. So for autopay, it's a convenient option that helps you avoid late payments, and enrolling in autopay will allow you to select your payments options for your Capital One credit account on a recurring basis. So you could just set up autopay, and by the way, this link right here will open in a new window. So just go ahead and set up that, and then you will be able to actually make a payment on Capital One credit card. And you could also make online payment, view your statement, and then find mailing addresses, or you could also pay in person. So it really depends on you. So those are the options that you could actually do on making credit card payments. So yeah, you could either set up your autopay, your online payment, view your statement, and so on. So yeah, you could just choose from this list, and that's basically just it. And I really hope that this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.